Get ready to experience a hair transplant like never before. Our state-of-the-art techniques will have you looking and feeling your best in no time. We're here to help you reclaim your natural, youthful appearance. We understand the impact that hair loss can have on your self-esteem. But worry not, you're not alone in this journey. We've transformed the lives of countless individuals through our advanced hair transplant procedures. Our state-of-the-art techniques ensure natural-looking results that last a lifetime. Enjoy the magic of Orlando Hair Clinic while getting the hair of your dreams. Listen to what one of our customers said about this procedure.
I can't express how thrilled I am with my decision to choose the Orlando Hair Clinic for my hair transplant journey. The clinic itself is top-notch, equipped with the latest technology and a comfortable environment. I can't believe the natural-looking transformation that has taken place. My confidence has soared, and I feel like a new person.
Visit us today to book your appointment.